I'm busy editing videos, but I'm so excited because... Have you been to New Mexico before?
No.
Hey! It's a first. And not only that... Oh, it's a bit bouncy. Not only that, we get to put the sticker on our map. Oh my goodness me. The roads out here are pretty tragic, I gotta be honest. But we left the Petrified Forest this morning and we are heading about 330 miles, something like that, to our next camp in New Mexico. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake the room. We're gonna all night. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Day one of week 2. We are in New Mexico and we are at a little state park and it's right on the lake and we're walking down to the lake right now.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
It's like these trees, obviously the trees that are poking out, but all of these on this side too were probably the trees that were here when this reservoir or lake was created. So you can see how low this water is. It's terrible.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Just getting to be dark. We had to drive back out of the park until we got signal again. Call the reservation line and say, there's no way we can get our trailer in there and open our slides. And thankfully, the very nice lady was able to give us a pull-through side. But it's very nice. See, look. I'll go this way. The only thing that's an issue here is there are burs all over the place. And our poor puppy got them all in her fur when we went down to the lake. We're not going to do that again. Weather's been magnificent. Very cold overnight and in the morning. But other than that, it's been beautiful.
If you made it this far, you must be enjoying this video. So why don't you just let YouTube know by hitting that like button?
Good morning. After quite a stressful morning, sadly our Instagram account got hacked.
Hey everybody. It's okay, it'll all work out.
Anywho, we are in New Mexico and Kevin and I are just going to go to a laundrette.
Or a laundromat even.
Or a laundromat even. First time for me in about 30 years. I don't know about Kevin. When was the last time you had to go to a laundromat?
Back in the 80s.
Oh my goodness. So this should be an adventure.
I can't break through.
came to dump, and the dump station is all backed up. So thankfully we did not start to dump because we could see it didn't look good. So now they are going to power wash it. So we have moved so we do not get poop seed. We are going to an RV park today. We need some signal. We've got to get this hack sorted out that we experienced on our Instagram. We're currently discussing with, and we're going to go to town and we want to do a few things. Plus, it's Amarillo. Show me the way to Amarillo.
It's that way.
It's that way.
Yeah.
If you are doing a road trip across the country on the 40, you just gotta come here and come and see the Cadillac Ranch. Just look at this, guys. It's so thick, it's literally dripping in massive thick sections down here. Look, you can see it all the way down here. Oh my goodness. I think these cars are at least 4 or 5 inches thick. This cannot all be paint. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's amazing.
We are at the Cadillac Ranch, and check it out. I put one of our stickers on the bumper. Right here. Isn't that awesome?
People seem friendly here, but you just never can tell.
We are at the Big Texan, about to have the huge 72-ounce steak. No, wait. No, I'm just going to have a maybe 12 ounce. There you go. That's more my style.
And here it is. We are upstairs so we can get a good view. There's nobody trying it right now. Now we are on our way from Texas to our next stop. And sadly, we can't check in until 5 p.m. So we decided that we would stop at every roadside attraction along the 40 if we could. And this is the first one. It's called the Holy Rest Area.
We burned like summer suns, our fears at bay. We made our own way, no stopping us. We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned the page, our story became a world brand new. You and I, we have found what we've been missing.
There's a replica of the Shroud of Turin in here, and you can see it through the glass, but you can't go in today.
So far we have stopped at one roadside attraction, but wait, we are coming up to another.
Yeah, that's right. It's the world's largest Route 66 sign. Of course, it's in Texas.
Where everything is bigger.
That's right.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon, Lisa.
Yes, Lisa Ann, we're heading your way. Oh wait, I think by the time you see this, Lisa Alvin will have already seen you, but still, we're heading your way, Lisa.
It was so great seeing you.
We hope you've enjoyed our adventure traveling along I-40. Next week, we will make a stop at the National Museum for the Route 66, a brief stop in Oklahoma, and then we take on the hike at the top of Mount Nebo in Arkansas.
Until then, we'll see you on the trail.